Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the French door mullion in a Samsung refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver. When you're going to unwrap the package, you're going to get a new French door mullion. The French door mullion is mounted on the left side French door. It latches the door into the door holder, keeping it closed. The main reason to replace the French door mullion is that the hinges breaks and makes it impossible to close the door properly, or the heater burns out, causing condensation build-up on the mullion. To get to the part, we need to open the left side door. We're going to open that the mullion. Then we need to remove these two Phillips screws. I'm going to use the Phillips screwdriver. I'm going to take them out. So now we're going to slide up the mullion. And pull it slowly out. I'm going to pull the plug out, and then we're going to disconnect it. This is the old French door mullion next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. The bottom hinge of this French door mullion is spring-loaded, so we need to open it before we're going to install everything. And then we can connect the power plug. Make sure it's locked. Then we're going to feed this into the cutout. And the harness. So now we're facing a task of placing the two hinges, bottom and upper, over those tabs, and this hook here in the middle hinge has to lock inside that cutout. All right, now we're going to secure that middle hinge with a couple of Phillips screws. First, align the holes and then place the screws in. I'm using a Phillips screwdriver, obviously. We're working with the Phillips screws. Before closing the door, we need to close that mullion. And now we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.